into it afterward was healed. So, one of the men lying there had been sick for 38 years. When Jesus saw him and knew how long had been ill, he asked him, "Would you like to get well?" "I can't, sir," the sick man said, "for I have no one to help me into the pool when the water is stirred up. While I am trying to get there, someone else always gets in ahead of me." Jesus told him, "Stand up, pick up your sleeping mat, and walk." Instantly, the man was healed. He rolled up the mat and began walking. But this miracle happened on the Sabbath day. May the Lord bless the reading of His Word. You know what, mga bukto? The book of John, it records a lot about the life of Jesus. And we are all aware about that, no? So we can see that part of Jesus' life, He took the opportunity na i-present ang iya sarili. Iba-ibang mga tao, like disciples, Jews, Samaritans, and etc. Now, another chapter 5, is Jesus' opportunity to present Himself to the Jewish leaders. So, Jewish leaders. So, if we will be able to read ang mga preceding ang mga verses, makikita natin that Jesus was really introducing Himself to the Jewish leaders. However, before it happened, a certain triggering scenario took place first. And ito natin passage siya na. Ini nga doon passage siya na, asya yung trigger kung paano nag-lead nga si Jesus, ma-introduce niya kalugaringon ng mga Jewish leaders. Kaya ano ba yan naging triggering scenario? Our passage is one of the healing miracles of Jesus. Healing miracle niya. It took place during Sabbath. And at that time, it's illegal to do anything during Sabbath. Yan, marunong kita ito, di ba? Nababasa na ito ang Bible nga. Illegal it mahimuon during Sabbath. Yan. Bisa niya, according na ako nabasa, bawal ka magluto, bawal ka magtrabaho, di ba? So, almost bawal ka magkiwa. Di ba? So, asya ini nga scenario, nag-trigger ini nga mag-isog ini mga Jewish leaders kay Jesus. Knowing the fact na hiyaan nagsugo, hindi nga paralyzed man, nga kuhaan ng iya mat. Asya kasi point dida, pagkuhaan mat, bawal kasi. So, kapag sabat day dan muna, make sure nga wala mahuhulog ay mo. Kaptigod ba upet na yung kakaptan. Mahulog nga nito, tiwas ka. Ibabas yan mga Jewish leader. Anong cellphone kaptig mahupay? Bawal ito alasahon. Diba? So, wala damang bawal. So, the Jewish leaders opposed about what happened. That is, the man carrying out his sleeping mat. Which was commanded by Jesus. Sige, di ba nasa rin, Lord, get up, pick up your mat, and walk. So, kita natin ano ba nangyari? Ano kasi passage, verses 1 to 9 lahiya. Kita natin ano nangyari, verse 10 to 15. Basahon lang natin. The Jewish leaders objected. After what happened, nag-object tira. Okay? They said to the man who was cured, you can't work on the Sabbath. It's illegal to carry that mat. So, mali ni mong buhat. Illegal ang imong buhat yan na. He replied, "The man who held me said to me, pick up your sleeping mat and walk." Tapos yung pakyanan niya, hindi naman nagsugo mo. Diri hiya nakilala. The man didn't know. Tigam na ninin natin bukto kay niyan, may kinalaman ninit aton pag-expose. Diri talaga niya kilala Lord. For Jesus disappeared into the crowd. But afterward, Jesus found him in the temple. Jesus ang nakabili nga iya. So sundari man ni Jesus, now you are well, so stop sinning. Okay ka na, ayaw na pagbalik. Ba? So, or something even worse may happen to you. And that's true, di ba? When we sin, the effect of sin is compounding. Dirya usala. Domino effect talaga hiya. Ba? And that's why, worse talaga mas nangyayari aton. Then the man went to find the Jewish leaders and told them, it was Jesus. Gimbiling pa talaga ang tao ang mga Jewish leaders para like istorya nga ngaran han nagsugo iya ni Jesus. Nga di na ito nagtikang. Gimbiling na ni Jesus ang mga Jewish leaders. So, dinala ni Jesus na introduce niya sarili, ha Jewish leaders. Hilard ka mo, baltok niya, no? Kaya hikita, kung mag-introduce lang kita ng sarili, pwede man diretso na lang, di ba? I am Victor Pasabas. I live in was the first day of class. Di ba? But ni Jesus, grabe. Intelligent. Grabe niya wisdom. Di ba? Magpapakilala niya pero through a scenario. Di ba? Through a situation. Ang dalawang pa-activity kita ng mga student, sige pakilala yung sarili pero maghihim kami ng isang problema. So, the Lord was so amazing. Yan mga kabuktaan ng pakiana. Hindi nga nangyari, di ba? Paano ba nagtikang ang istorya? Paano ba? So, it started when Jesus went up to Jerusalem. The purpose kung kaya ni Jesus kumato sa Jerusalem is because it is feast day. Kasi usually, nakatulay Jesus sa Jerusalem kapag feast day or holiday han Israel. So, what are the different holidays ba in the Bible? Ano ba iba-ibang feast day? Just for us to learn, ano? So, actually, may adap ito. So, amo niya Passover, the unleavened bread, first fruits, Pentecost, trumpet, Day of Atonement, and tabernacles. So, the fact nga, Jesus kinadi, kasi dyan, wari yan nag-mention kung ano nga feast may ada, ito na moment, di ba? Pero the fact na Jesus kinada, among sini nga 7, may ada di tulo nga kundiin required ang mga Jewish men nga umaten each year. Keep nira each year. Nga nito nga tulo ang siya tira. So, though wala specifics kung as to which one ito nga feast and may ada di da time, basta sure kita, adalat ha tulo. Pero, may mga scholars nga nagyayakan nga, it was Feast of Pentecost ko, no? Okay? Pero, again, the Bible did not tell us kung ano nga klase ang feast menda. However, bukto, diri importante nga mabaruan natin kung ano nga feast. Ang importante nga mabaruan natin, what day of the week nangyari ito. Ngan ano ito nga day? Sabbath day. Sabbath day, asyat may kinalaman, han istorya natin yan. Kung mapapansin niyo kanina, nag-isog ang Jewish leader tungod kay ano? Tungod kay Sabbath. Di ba? Nagtrabaho yan during Sabbath. Wala yung sabi nga, bawal ito kay feast day yan na. No. The emphasis there is on Sabbath talaga. So the fact that it's a feast day, meaning Sabbath day, hiya dida. Okay? So nagets na natin? So asyeton. So asyeton, importante. The Sabbath day has a crucial role in the story as we will be digging in later on. Because it is the reason kung kaya mga Jewish leaders will get to hate the Lord Jesus. So, yan na. Nga dinagtan setting. Nakaya nila, inside the city, near the ship gate, was the pool of Bethesda with 5 covered perches. So, I challenge myself, actually, kagabi nga, explain ko yun na iyo, pero I really ran out of time. So, na akong gimbuhat, nag-search na lang ako video para mas maintindihan natin ang postura ng Pool of Bethesda. Okay, so may ako din video until na 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Uraya ka, kadere na ka. Sige, kitaon natin kung anong postura ng pool para maintindihan gyud natin kung anong concept, paano nangyayari healing dida. Okay, kay very important yan. Sige.
In John chapter 5, we learn of the story to the water level.
Yes, tama na. So, naintindihan natin ang Pool of Bethesda, no? So, may mga purchase siya nga kundiin, dito pwede maghulat ang mga gusto mahil. Diba? Dito na pwede umagi. Susugat yung kaluluwag, diba? Imagine, bagan kadakong soccer field, diba? Tapos, duwa niya, may North Pole.
Drawn to a
may
particular
South Pole,
man.
Diba? So, as concept. So, makikita natin nga, biskan ko, according to the archaeologists, diba? Kagdadag ko talaga ng mga steps niya. Diba? So kung ikaw, paralyzed ka, good luck na lalo tayo mo, diba? Kung paano ka makakalusad. So, challenging talaga yan. So, ito yung a place, since it's a pool of healing, diba? A place where healing happens. Of course, amo nga mga sick anakad to. Nasa nga ni, crowds of sick people. May blind, may lame, may paralyzed. Nakato talaga ang mga purchase. Diba? They lay on the purchase. So, kung mapapansin niyo bugto ha, iyo Bible, waray verse 4. Diba? Waray verse 4. Pero ha, ibang Bible, naka-footnote and verse 4. Okay, naka-footnote. Ginapi ko yan didi. So, actually, may mga verses nga, diri api ha Bible, diri na ginaapi kay the scholars, Bible scholars, syempre, diba, nag-change man talaga, dynamic man language, diba? May mga scholars na bilibera, waray na hiya, kuhan, diri na ko diya na play an important role in the context. Pero ako ginapi ko kay, kuhan niya, may gamit niya pag-explain natin verse 7 yan. So, di na natin makikita. So, actually, content han, verse 4. Actually, dugtong lot han 3. Naka-footnote yan kita ni Bible. So, they are waiting for a certain movement of water. For an angel of the Lord came from time to time and stirred up the water. Basta ang angel kasi na kadahe from time to time. So, hiya lang magbubot kung saan yung makita. Band-stop dance lang, hindi ka marunong kung saan mas tapan music, di ba? So, kailangan always ka good ready. Diba? Ito nga,